Hello guys! Welcome back for another video, and
This is not your typical video.
kay nata i-unbox something special. Unsa man nga special nga i-unbox di mo? This unboxing was sent by, or this package, or this box was sent by YouTube. Guess what? Ang atuang silver play button. Naan na.
Niabot na.
So, guess what? Niabot na akong silver play button, guys. For the first time, my 100,000 play button na award. So, thank you kaayo, guys. Words can't express sa akong gibati, pero uwi ra kay ko. Pero, for everybody's information day, guys, nagkatawa jud ko before ni nag-abot. Nag-abot naman hino. I was at school that time. Naming text saying itry daw nilag deliver ang kani. Itry daw nilag deliver. Kung at that time, I don't know nga. Hala, na di ko i-parcel. Wala mo ko i-order. Pagkataod-taod, yung tawag man na. Anak ko, Kuya, pila tanan. Anak si Kuya nga. Hala, wala mo kay bayaran ani no sa YouTube money. And I was like, sure, oy. Ingani na di kadali ang kuan, ang delivery time. Kaya I was expecting mga 3 weeks or 1 month before mo abot. And mga 1 week and a half ni abot siya, guys. So, thank you kaayo YouTube. Thank you kaayo for your ingana kadali, ingana kapaspas, for your service. Sure, service. Oh, kayo. Thank you kaayo ninyong tanan. I just wanna thank you, everybody. Char. Bitaw, guys, thank you kaayo because without you, without your support, dili na ko ni maabot. No jokes. Walay char-char diri, guys. Thank you kaayo. So, without further ado, let's unbox this. Actually, guys, na-abin na nako ni. Pero I wanted to make a video because, of course, I want to upload this to my platform sa YouTube. O, unsa ko ka-grateful ninyo, guys, because kamo man akong viewers, so dapat ma-share ko na ako ninyo. Diba? So, okay, so, at the front, we can see my personal information. And makita nimo si YouTube din, guys. Si Big YouTube. Dayon, if you open this, sa pag-open, nalimot ko pag-open. Basta, wait lang, ha? Wait lang, guys. Ha? Oh, okay. Dire, guys. Ay. Ara, guys. The moment of truth. Char, wala pa bita. Okay. Tangtangon na to ni, guys, ha? Ooh, nai-letter. Unsay nakaingon, unsay nakasulat dire, be? Nay pa letter si YouTube, guys. If makita ninyo. Na siya pa letter. So everybody listen, ha? Walay magtabi ninyo, guys. Do you remember your first subscriber? Actually, it was my second account. Akong first subscriber. So, I think wala kayo na akong nahinumdum. Basta, because my channel was created long ago, dayon wala ko upload. Katurang nag-viral akong post sa TikTok, ay ako nag-upload sa YouTube po. You're 100,000. I know! You're 100. Wala po kahinumdum, guys. O ginsa nga akong 100 subscriber. Or you're 1,000. Wala po. Sorry. Chances are you do. And we know that you'll definitely remember your 100,000 subscriber. Buot lagi ka YouTube ay wala lagi ko kahinumdom. Buot ka no? Char. So, bitaw, guys, wala dyan ko kahinumdom okay, sa mga subscribers before. Pero, I just wanna say that I'm grateful nila. So, your fans may have found you while searching YouTube. Really? Learned about you through a friend. Kani sakto dyan, guys. Learned about through a friend. Sakto dyan kay every time na mo ingon nga, hala kaila ka ni kuan si kuan man ako na naging saging kag napkin. Ingana dyan na siya, guys. So next, or maybe you showed up as a recommended video. Hindi ko sure. Basta, no matter how they came to your channel, your audience stayed and their numbers increased because of you and the community you've built. We're proud to honor your impressive milestone. Oh, thank you, YouTube. of reaching 100,000 subscribers with the Silver Creator Award. Congratulations. Yours sincerely. Thank you kaayo guys. Thank you jud kayo YouTube. Thank you kaayo. Okay guys, let's get to the part where we've been all waiting for. Ang silver play button itself. Medyo bugat-bugat ra ba ni siya guys? Uban ni kuyugi ko ninyo aswat ani. Char. So here it is. Wow. Pretty kaayo guys. John Doptira for passing 100,000 subscribers. Hello. Perfect. Babagi. Babagi ka ay, no? Syufa ka. Sa... Namugoy sa amin. Kung gagalingon akong giignan. Sure. So, moni guys, it's the silver play button itself. Okay, so before making the video, nga anak ko nga, boring raman if nag-unbox ta. So, nakuha na ko ang idea ni Upaw. Shoutout ni It's Upaw dira. Shoutout ni Morillo. And, nga mo Q&A. So, in his video, ang video ni Upaw, nag-unbox po siya og silver play button. Dayo nagpa Q&A. So, I got the idea from him. Shoutout ni mo. So, for everybody's information, ako i-upload sa TikTok na video where nakaingon diri, guys, please drop any question here. I'm making a Q&A video. This video sa TikTok specifically. So, sa mga nag-comment diri, tanan mabasa inyong comments and I will be answering here in this video. So, let's start up with, Upaw. Kani si Upaw. Ang nag-give na ko og idea na maghimo ani nga video pod o Q&A. What's your favorite video you have ever made? By the way, pa-shout out. Shout out the Upaw, guys. So, my favorite video ever made was, I think, kana bitong katong nag-uban mi sa Ungo Squad, guys. Katong cute. The first time na nag-uban, I think it's the butchery, katong una na mga butchery. It was the first time. So I think that was the video or the favorite video I've ever made. Katong nag-uban ming Hail si Dongski. Saba! Hail Dongski, Upaw ako. Kaming upat guys, katong nga video. So yes, Upaw. Thank you guys sa mong comment. And subscribe man niya guys. LG Rep R. Okay? Tirang. Miga gihapon ta. Miga or miga? Basta ba jud miga or miga? Naglibo. Mamiga or miga nga amiga? Jar. So, I don't know if unsay mo pasabot, pero I would definitely consider you a friend, of course. Wala problema nako. Next is comment from Zethros. Hi Zethros, kani si Zethros guys, ako aning classmate. Shout out ni mo Zethros. So, yung comment kay favorite sport. I don't think na ako'y favorite sport guys, but I like playing volleyball. Volleyball jud guys. Pahawa diri ba kay nag-video ko? Favorite sport kay volleyball. Yes, laban ko. Sure. Pero, kabalo mo guys, na-trauma ko ng volleyball. Because there was a time na nagdula ni sa skulahan. No, dili ako'y nagdula. Akong mga classmate ang nagdula. Pero, nagpatunga mo ko ang bayot. Halagi, spikean. Uy, atubangan kaayo. Spikean ko bayot. Like, duha-duha sila. Dire. The other team and the team. Basta team na silang duha. Dahil ako, naamang ko diri ng agi. Dispikean. Oops. Patay. Malamang. Tangtang ang tipara na ulawan pag yun. Sa mga to, wala ko nag-volleyball after ato. Pero, yes, ganun po kong volleyball. I want to play again. Pero, mga to. Next is from Brentoy. Hello, Brentoy. The comment is, taga-MU Katigang. Yes, proud MU here. I am an MU student and I care. So yes, taga-MU ko. Actually, atong grade 9 ko ga-MU and I am a grade 10 student karon. So, yes, MU ko, grade 10. Next is, when did you start posting? Kisses. Hello, Velvet. So, I started posting when I was grade 7. Grade 7? Summer sa grade 7, guys. Remember katong mga Peppa Pig dubs na ko? Dito ko ga-post. And, actually, for fun naman ako kung pag-post. It was nighttime pag-post ako gabi ito. Pag mata na ko, poach. Daghang mga comments, daghang mga likes, daghang mga viewers. And, inspired and motivated po, kulisod po. Daghang mo po mo request nga more daw. So, mag-upload ko more. Diba? So, moto, lavan. Okay, next is favorite game and why. Dagan mo kong favorite game, guys. Pero, ang favorite yun ako, of course, Roblox. Because, diverse iyahang mga games. Dili na siya isa ka game. Dagan kag mapilian. Sana all. Pero anyways, as in, dagan kag madula sa Roblox and it is fun at the same time with friends po. Next is, nakatanaw na kag Squid Game. Katong season 3 or katong gang. Wala pa guys kay wala pa ko Netflix. Pero mulantaw ko pero na-spoil naman ko kag taman. Uy, og kinsay na ngamatay, og kinsay na buhi, og kinsay na survive. Na-spoil na kog taman, di na ko ganan mulantaw. Next is, what do you love the most about yourself? Of course, confident. Confident ko and I have confidence. Of course, if hindi ka confident guys, then I wouldn't have been here standing in front of that camera and I would not have been uploading consistently if dili ko confident and shy type ko nga tao, diba? So next is, what's your inspiration as a YouTuber, TikToker, gamer, or etc.? So guys, before bitaw ko when I was a kid, when I was a child, na ako'y YouTuber, favorite YouTuber. They were constantly playing Minecraft and Roblox videos. They were Pat and Jen, si Furious Destroyer and si Jen. They were couples. They always play Minecraft and Roblox, but sadly, they nag-break sila. So, moto, I was devastated. Kaya nga break sila. They were my favorite YouTuber back then. I remember nga magkaon ko while watching nila. So, yes. It's sad, pero we have to accept the truth, reality na wala na siya. Next is, are you gay? Kailangan pa ba niingon? Di ba halata? Char. Dili siguro halata guys na mo ni yuya ko. Di siguro halata. So guys, maura man to yung nag-comment sa kaninga video. So I think I'm gonna be ending this video. So maura to yung nag-comment and maura pa to akong answer. Ang lisod pag maghimo kong comments no nga mo ni atik-atik. So maura man dito yung nag-comment. And yeah, we can't do anything but to end the video. Pero for the last time, thank you kayo guys because you stick to my journey until the end from start to beginning. Thank you kayo guys.